Let's consider different methods of finding HCF. Let's go. For example, I will start with method one of the simplest method. So method one, this is method of successive division. Good. Let's say we are given two numbers. What are the two numbers? Let's say we are given 40 and 50. And we are asked to find the HCF of 40 and 50. Good. What I will need to do is draw a table. Even if there are more than two numbers, maybe three numbers, you can always apply any of the methods that I'm using. So put 40 here and put 50 here. So what I will do is I will start breaking them down using numbers that can divide both. I can use a small number, so depending on how long I want to go. So if I use small number, that means I will have to go multiple times. But if I use a big number, I can capture it once and for all. So it will lead me fast to my destination. But the aim is we need to stop at a point where there is no other number that can divide apart from one. Good. Let's start with 2. I want to go with something simple. 2 can go in both. Those 2 here 20, 2 here 25. What else can go in both together? So 5 can go in both. 5 here 4 and 5 here 5. Now looking at these two numbers, is there anything that can go again apart from 1? It's only 1 that can divide. So it means 4 and 5 are co-prime or relatively prime, since there is no other number apart from 1 that can divide. Then I will conclude that my HCF or GCD equal to 2 times 5, which is my final answer. Very good. So this is method 1 by successive division. Good. We can move to the second method. I'll use the method of prime factorization. So we can use the method of prime factorization in two ways. Method of prime factorization. So what I will do is I will break 40 down as product of prime factors. 40 is the same thing as 2 times 20. Yes, this 20 is not a prime number. I can still break it. So 2 times 20 is 2 times 10. Of course, 10 is not still a prime number. I can still break it to 2 times 5. So finally, I will have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. That's 40. So this is product of prime. Let's do the same thing for the second number, which is 50. 50 can also be broken to 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay. 50 is the same thing as 2 times 25. So 25 is not prime. That's 2 times 5 times 5. So I can write it as 2 times 5 times 5. What I will now need is I will circle what is common to both. 2 is here, 2 is here. I will circle it. I still have 2 here, but no more 2 here. So nothing to circle. So we must have something common. But I have 2 here again, no more 2 here. I will skip. But I have 5 and 5. So I can circle this. So I still have 5 here, but no more 5 here. That's where I will stop. Therefore, HCF equal to, take this as 1, that's 2, times take these two 5s as 1, 2 times 5, making 2 times 5 equal to 10. That means the HCF is 10. Good. Let us consider the third method, the same prime factorization. Method of prime factorization. Good, but this time around, I will break it to index form. 40. Remember that we have written our 40 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So I can write this as, how many times 2 occurs? 2 raised to the power of 3 times, how many times 5 occurs? 5 raised to the power of 1. Good. Let's go for 50. 50 can be broken to 2 times 5 times 5, like we did before. Then let's write it in index form. That will be 2 raised to the power 1 times 5 raised to the power of 2. Now, this is what I need. I need this. So my HCF or the GCD be equal to, you can see that 2 and 2 are common. But here we have 2 raised to 3 and here we have 2 raised to 1. I will go for the minimum, not the maximum. Between 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 1, what's the minimum? 2 raised to 1 is the minimum. So I write it times. Now here I have 5 raised to power 1 and 5 raised to 2. What is the minimum between raised to 1 and raised to 2? Raised to 1 is the minimum. I go for 5 raised to 1. So 2 raised to 1 is 2. 5 raised to 1 is 5. So we have 2 times 5. That will give me 10. So in each case, no matter the number, no matter the 2 numbers or more numbers, you will still be having the same answer if you use any of the 3 methods. Thank you.